Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna get ready with you for really simple casual weekend look. I already applied my foundation and now I will go and apply some other face products and also really natural eye makeup look, no false lashes, really casual weekend kind of makeup look. I have my foundation on. I will apply a tiny bit of concealer just to brighten up that area under my eye because I have some darkness over there. I want to apply this Fenty Beauty match stick in the shade Yacht. It's such a pretty color and I like to add it on my cheeks for some flush of color. I really like the shade, but I have noticed that it doesn't last the whole day. At the end of the day it is washed out and it is not that intense as now, but however I like to use it on a daily basis. My next step will be bronzer and I'm using the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. Some extra blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. It is super pretty. I like to go over with a big fluffy brush. Before I am applying my highlighter, I want to use some spray. I will use this Dior Backstage Glow palette, which is my go-to highlighter. I like to mix all the shades basically. You can go for really subtle, glowy, natural skin, but also you can intensify it and be really blinding highlighter. For my eyeshadow, as I said, I want this look to be really natural, so I will add a tiny bit of eyeshadow, and for that I'm gonna use this, and that's why I'm using this Persona Cosmetics Color Theory in the shade Pink. I will use mainly I will use these three shades here. Okay, and then mascara, the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Some Brow Drama mascara by Maybelline. I already have some lip gloss. I will add this MAC Cream Cup lipstick in the center. And this is the final look. This is super easy, super quick, easy makeup look that you can do on the weekends. You can follow me on my social media, on my Instagram and on my Twitter. I'm there, Mariya Marinova, that's my name basically. Also subscribe to my channel. I am uploading every Monday and every Thursday of the week, so stay tuned for new videos. And let me know also in the comments what do you think about this natural makeup look, and if you want to see more that kind of makeup looks here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!